1-pack pore cleansing brush. The EcoTools Deep Cleansing Brush is designed to exfoliate and revives dull skin for a smooth, glowing base. Storage cap included for easy storage. Comfortably fits in the palm of your hand. Perfect for on-the-go prep and easy to store when traveling. Bristles for deep pore cleaning and exfoliation to scrub away dead skin cells, oil, dirt, and other skin impurities. Product colors may vary. The EcoTools Deep Cleansing Brush is designed with super soft bristles for deep pore cleaning and exfoliation. It removes dirt, oils, and makeup, gently exfoliates, and revives dull skin for a smooth, glowing base. Storage cap included for easy storage or on-the-go skin prep. Clean beauty. Clean planet. EcoTools has you covered from head to toe to keep you and the planet glowing. From exceptional makeup brushes and blenders to crystal face rollers to a variety of practical bath brushes and accessories, our products are not only effective, but they are also vegan-friendly and cruelty-free. The Delicate Ecopouf, made with recycled netting, turns any bath into a spa experience, while makeup brush sets like the Start the Day Beautiful kit help achieve a natural makeup look. EcoTools is the perfect addition to any beauty routine. Top reviews from the United States. Clean, glowing skin, but use sparingly. This brush is a nice size, easy to clean, and soft enough that, when not applying too much pressure, feels great on your skin. After 2 days of use, only at night, my skin was glowing and soft and beautiful. That being said, I wouldn't use it more than twice a week, and not twice in a row.